Welcome. Today we'll learn how to calculate 75% of any number using a calculator. Let's break this down into simple steps. Step 1. Convert the percentage to a decimal. To convert 75% to a decimal, we divide 75 by 100. This gives us 0.75. Let's try an example. Say we want to find 75% of 240. On your calculator, simply multiply 240 by 0.75. The calculation is 240 times 0.75 equals 180. So 75% of 240 is 180. Here's the general rule. To find any percentage of a number, first convert the percentage to a decimal by dividing by 100, then multiply the decimal by your number. Let's do one more quick example. To find 75% of 60, multiply 60 by 0.75. This equals 45. So 75% of 60 is 45. And that's how you calculate 75% of any number. Remember, convert to decimal first, then multiply. Thanks for watching.